The Window of Truth, a retro fly-on-the-wall documentary featuring the Mir space station and NASA's space shuttle. We're going back in time, back to the 90s, when NASA's space shuttle supposedly docked with Russia's Mir space station. So the mission's STS-74, we're only looking at a 2-minute section of a much longer video. If you want to see the longer video, link in the description. I'll also leave a timestamp to the section we're actually looking at or going to watch very shortly, okay? We're on the space shuttle looking at either the Mir space station or shots of Earth from space. I'm going to play the clip without stopping it. There's not much commentary, but you're going to get the gist. And I want to see if you can spot a problem here. We'll come back and, like we usually do, zoom in and slow things down, and I'll highlight where I'm coming from. But see if you can spot a problem.
Do you want that horizontal, or do you want to keep looking at this for a little while?
Oh, let's keep looking at this. There's nothing I love better than terrible space station models layered in over high altitude footage. I just love it.
We're going to change our minds and take this. It's irresistible.
We sort of thought you might say that.
Well, you know what my vote was going to be.
Always. This isn't what I'm getting at. So this is where the clip in question is that of great concern. Ignore that thing top left. I think that's the smudge on the window. It's the next two clips. I'll make it a bit easier. This clip. And the next clip. I wonder if you spotted the issue. Right, I'm going to come back, slow it down and zoom in on, what I think is a major problem here. 2 seconds. Let me just give you, where are we going here with this? We're still on the shuttle, aren't we? Yeah, we're still supposedly on the shuttle anyway. Just wanted to get some context. So did you spot it? I kind of gave you a clue with the fly on the wall documentary bit. Essentially, that's what we've got. We've got a fly going walkabout on the inside window of the so-called space shuttle. Problem is, he is doing just that, going walkabout. And in doing so, he's highlighting the fact he's not in a weightless environment when he's inside the space shuttle, supposedly in space. This fly appears on 2 short clips. The first one very briefly, the second one a bit longer, and the second one's incredibly damning. He first appears about 7 seconds in on the first clip, so let's have a look. I'm going to stop, zoom in, just highlight where he is. Right in the middle of our screen is the star of the show today. Going to come out a bit. Just watch his movement as he goes walkabout here. It's going to cut shortly. And he's going to appear yet again. This time we're going to see him about the 17-second mark in a couple of seconds' time, appearing over this side. Let's just get it playing. That's him there. Right in the middle at the moment, and to the left as I come back out. But watch his movement here as he goes storming around, loving life. Watch it. Oh. I'm going to right old run around. Let's come back again just so we can see our mate once more, because I missed a little bit of it. Here he is. Now let's just see what basically artificial intelligence based on the mainstream narrative would make of that scenario we've just seen there. Because clearly we've got a fly or an insect there in space, supposedly. But he's acting as if he's not in space, which is a big problem. 2 seconds. In microgravity, a fly's adhesive foot pads might allow it to cling briefly to smooth surfaces like windows, but movement would be challenging. Without gravity to press its feet firmly against surfaces, each step could detach it, causing it to float. The fly's legs' muscles aren't adapted to pull itself in weightlessness, so deliberate walking would be erratic. It might manage short, awkward crawls, but would likely lose grip and drift, relying on air currents or collisions to reach new surfaces. So back to the clip again. Does that look like short, awkward crawls? That's the fly running about, having the time of its life, able to change its direction, no problem. That would be impossible if that fly was in a weightless environment. And again, once more. Here he comes. The destroyer of silly narratives, of space stations docking with spacecraft in a vacuum. Happened to be a fly today. Can't make it up.